Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this beginner-friendly placemat for your house. It's very easy to make and have a gorgeous edge all around it. For this project, we are going to use cotton macrame cord. One full skein should be enough to make 2 placemats. It is very sturdy and holds the shape really well. And of course 5.5 millimeter hook for it. Here I'm giving you the pattern all in one place. We will be making 8 rounds for 30 diameter placemat. If you want bigger one, just add another round before the edge. So let's start crocheting it. And for the beginning, we are going to make a slip knot. Just wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a little knot like this. Put it on your hook and we will begin to chain 4. Just yarn over and pull a loop. Yarn over and pull a loop. Yarn over and pull a loop to make 4 chains. It will be counting as 1 double crochet. For the first round, we will start making double crochets in the first chain. Just yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. We have our first double crochet made. So once again, yarn over, insert the hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull for 2 loops, and yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. And now continue like this to make 11 double crochets in total. Here we have our 11 double crochets done, and one more. The chain of 4 counts as another double crochet, so 12 in total. And now we're gonna insert a hook in the 4th chain to make a slip stitch and finish the round. For the second round, we will chain 3 and place 2 double crochets in the first stitch. This will count as our first increase. And in this round, we are going to have 12 increases in total. Now continue placing 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. And after end of the round, you should have 24 double crochets. To finish the round, we are going to place 1 more double crochet in the slip stitch place, and this with the chain of 3 will count as 2 double crochets. Now just make a slip stitch on top of the 3rd chain and your round is done. For all the rounds, beginning is the same. Just chain 3 And here we are going to place 2 double crochets in the first stitch. In the top right corner, I put a little image on how your round repetition should look like. 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And in total, you should have 36 double crochets. And again, 12 increases through the round. The ends of the rounds are same as well. Just make a slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Round 4, chain 3. And here we're gonna start with 1 double crochet in the first stitch. In the next, we're gonna do 2 double crochets. In the next, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next, and 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern of 2 single double crochets, 1 double, 2 single, until you finish the round and have 12 increases in total. So for all the rounds, we will have this same number of increases. Last stitch of 4th round is 2 double crochets in 1. And for the closing, again, make a slip stitch on top of chain 3. And here we are having already very nicely forming round piece. So the key of having a perfectly round placemat is placing increases not in the same positions as it was in previous round. This will prevent any weird corner formation. For the round 5, in between increases, we have to make 3 single double crochets. At the end of the round, you should have 60 double crochets. For the 6th round, we start with the increase and place 4 single double crochets in between them. For the round number 7, we make 5 double crochets in between increases. Here at the end of the round, we need to have 84 double crochets in total. Round 8 is the last one here, and at the end we need to have 86 stitches. Our round base is done, and we will continue working on the edge. Making edge, we will start by chaining 1, and we will make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now chain 2 and place 2 single crochets in the same stitch again. We will have this nicely looking spike. Now we need to skip 2 and in the third place 2 single crochets. Again, chain 2 and 2 single crochets in the same one. Continue like this and I will meet you at the end. To finish the edge, we need to make slip stitch in the first stitch. Now just make a couple of knots and within the end. And it's done. Here you have your own perfectly round and flat placemat for your table decoration. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in another tutorials.